Disclosure: this educational content has been developed using artificial intelligence.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we re-diving into a super important topic that a lot of new creators overlook. Setting up your YouTube channel, art, and logo. Think of it like this. Your channel banner and logo are the first things people see. It's your digital storefront, your first impression. A great design can instantly tell viewers what you read about and make them want to stick around. So, if you're ready to make your channel look professional and attract more subscribers, you're in the right place. First up, let's talk about the logo, or as YouTube calls it, your profile picture. This little circle follows you everywhere. It's next to your comments, on the subscription feed, and right below your videos. It needs to be clear, simple, and instantly recognizable, even when it's tiny. A great option is a high-quality headshot if you're a personal brand. Make sure the lighting is good and your face is clear. If you have a brand or a channel name that isn't just you, a custom-designed logo works wonders. You can use free tools like Canva, which has tons of templates. Or if you want something truly unique, you could consider hiring a designer on a platform like Fiverr. The key is to keep it simple. Avoid tiny texts or overly complex images that will just turn into a blur. Remember, this is your channel's face. Now, let's move on to the main event. Your channel art, also known as the banner. This is that big rectangular image at the top of your channel page. It's your chance to shout from the rooftops what your channel is all about. So, what makes a good banner? First, it needs to visually represent your content. If you have a travel channel, use a stunning landscape photo. If you're a gamer, show off some cool game graphics or your gaming persona. A cooking channel, mouth-watering pictures of your food. The most crucial thing to remember about banners is how they display on different devices. What looks perfect on a big TV screen might get cropped on a laptop, and even more will be cut off on a mobile phone. YouTube has a safe area in the very center of the banner template. This is the only part that's guaranteed to be visible on all devices. So, you must place your most important information like your channel name, your tagline, and maybe your upload schedule. Right in that central safe zone, all the cool background imagery can extend outwards, but the critical stuff has to be in the middle. So, how do you actually make one? Again, Canva is your best friend here. It has pre-sized YouTube banner templates that already have the safe area marked for you. This takes all the guesswork out of the dimensions. When designing, use colors and fonts that match your brand's personality. Are you fun and energetic? Use bright colors. Are you more serious and educational? Stick to a cleaner, more minimalist design. A great tip is to include a call to action. Something simple like new videos every Friday or an arrow pointing down to your subscribe button can work wonders. Once you have your logo and banner files ready, uploading them is super easy. Just go to your channel page, click Customize Channel, and it will take you to the YouTube studio. Under the Branding tab, you'll see options to upload your profile, picture, banner image, and even a video watermark. Just upload your files, adjust the cropping if needed, hit Publish, and you're done. Your channel will instantly look more polished and professional. Taking the time to create a great logo and banner shows your audience that you care about your channel and the content you're recreating. It builds trust and makes your brand memorable. So, go ahead and give your channel the visual upgrade it deserves. It's a small step that can make a huge difference in your YouTube journey. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips to help you grow your channel. We'll see you in the next one.